All right, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an amazing topic to share with you. At times you might be looking at your hard drive, the internal hard drive, and be looking at what have I saved, what is there, why my hard drive is suddenly full. And when you check your my download, you check my document, there's not much files there, and you're having like 500 gig or 250 gig hard drive, or memory space, and you don't know what is it. So today, before anything, I want to show you how to free unnecessary files that's been occupied, that been eating your space. I'm gonna give you 3 commands, but make sure you watch this video to the end, because the last one is the main thing that will free a lot. And when you look at the memory, the hard drive that I'm showing you here, the out of 78.3 is only 2.69 GB available. So let's do this thing together and let's free some space. If this is what you are looking for here, sit back, relax. Let's dive into it.
Our strategy focuses on AI, data, and cybersecurity.
All right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. The first thing that I'm going to show you today, in your keyboard, press Ctrl R, which is run. It's going to display a dialog box where you are going to type this command. You don't need to be genius, just type whatever I type here, then you hit enter or OK. The first one is prefetch, then you hit enter. By the time you hit enter, okay, enter and okay, it's the same thing. On your own case, because you haven't done it before, you might see a lot of files there. And when you see a lot of files, the first thing you need to do, Control A, which is going to select the old file that is there. Then you shift delete, meaning you don't want it to go to recycle bin. You deleting all of them from your system. And after after like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, when you come back here, you're still gonna see a lot of files, as long as you are browsing on internet, because most of these things, they are temporary files. They are, so when you delete them, you close it. Now I want to give you the second command. So go back there, press Ctrl R. It's gonna display this, and let's type the second command, which is what? Okay, right, from the word temp, the full meaning is temporary, right? There's still a lot of temporary files that know when you are doing anything on your system, it's stored there, unnecessary stuff. It's stored there, and trust me, it's still occupying space. No matter how small it is, it's occupying space. You can see here, there's a lot of files here, 30 items. What you need to do again, select everything, Control A, and hit Shift Delete. After you delete them, it's gonna free some space also, but this is not the main thing. The main thing is the one that I'm gonna give you at last, because that will free a lot of space here. So the third one, you have to go back again, Control R, then you type %temp%. Yes, the command might look the same thing, but it's a little bit different. A, and at the same time, Shift Delete. You need to delete them. And after that, you see, this one will free more space. Okay, let's go back and delete it. So the third one of, I think the fourth one that I'm going to give you now, which is clean. Just type what I type, clean mgr. Then you click enter, clean mgr, click enter. Then there is going to display a dialog box, which is a C drive. And remember, the C drive is the one that holds most of, it's the one that holds your operating system. If your operating system is on C, it's the one that all program files, is the one that holds window files and some other stuff like that. So there seems to be a lot of temporary files or unnecessary files you don't need. So here, just click enter. After you click enter, it's going to display a dialog box. Let me zoom in for you. Let's see. Here in this dialog box, we have download the program files and a lot of stuff. Scroll it down and select everything. Select everything. After that, just click clean up system file. It's gonna clean it up. Go back there. Suppose, yeah, it's gonna clean it up. So after that, you go back again, select everything, scroll down, make sure you select everything, don't leave any one untouched, then click OK, delete files. It's going to delete every file that is not necessary, that is not useful for your operating system, because remember, we're dealing with the system files here, because you're cleaning C drive, right? So after that, just refresh. After that, right click and refresh. Then after that, let me show you the last one. Though we're trying to clean some things, but you can see it's free a little bit of space, but not that much. So now let me show you the last tip that is going to delete most unnecessary files that has been eating your system. Okay, what we're gonna do now? All right, so what we're gonna do now, double click the C drive. Let's locate this manually, because locate the C drive, then locate the window files. From the window files, scroll down and locate software distributions. Let me zoom in there. Okay, software distribution, right? Double click it, and wait. If you look at the files, let me get it back a little bit. If you look at the file here, the file inside this place is 14.5 GB. You know what I want you to do? After you practice this, check the space that software distribution occupy in your system and help me to put it in the comment section. That will give me how much space you able to freeze. All right, so let's go. You double click it. Just double click it, because you can delete the files. So what you need to do, just do the same thing that I was doing before, which is Control A, select everything completely. Control A means select all. After you select all, the next thing you need to do is hit Shift Delete, because remember, if you are deleting it, it's going to recycle bin, then which is the recycle bin is still inside your system, and when you don't Shift Delete, it's still in your system. So you're not going to see any differences. You're not going to see any difference. So what we need to do here, just let it delete and get out of our system. It's going to display this message, but don't worry, just click OK. Now let's close it, refresh, because we want to see the difference now. Okay, now let's go to C drive and see how many space we've already managed to regain. Remember, the last time is 3 point something, now is 18.4. We managed to recover 18.4. Do this and tell me how many space do you recover. If it works for you, let me know in the comment section. This is gonna be the end of this video today. If you really enjoyed it and it worked for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. This is meant to you from Smart Digital Learning. Samuel, signing out.